Hey guys, it's me Rahul back with another WhatsApp video. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at WhatsApp's video compression and various methods to get around it. I know it's kind of a boring topic, but I wanted to make this video for those who want to make those HD 60 FPS status videos and those who want to know the science behind it all, like a all-in-one video if you will. I'm gonna be also covering all the things that I know about video compression of WhatsApp. If you want to look at any particular section of this video, feel free to do so by using the timestamps in the description down below. So how do you make those HD 60 FPS status videos that you see on your friends that look super awesome? I also want to explain the reason behind the things that we are doing. I think it's important for you to understand. So to put a video as your status on WhatsApp and not get crushed by WhatsApp's compression, you need to follow a couple of rules. Your video must be less than 30 seconds. It's always good to make it 29 seconds just to be safe. And your video must not exceed 16 megabytes just to be safe. When you are saving the file, save it around 15 megabytes of approx size, so it will not go over 16 megabytes. Those are the rules that we need to follow. So first, I'm gonna be entirely using my phone. For this, you need a very high quality video file. It could be 60 FPS or not. You need an app to cut and compress the file below 16 megabytes. The best app that I found is Smart Video Compressor and Resizer. Select the clip, tap on this cut button, trim your video down to 30 seconds. Like I said earlier, it's always good to make it 29 seconds just to be safe. Then hit cut and save. Then you can select the dimension. Use current or any other higher resolutions, then set compressing speed to medium and increase the quality until the estimate file size is below 15 megabytes or at 15 megabytes, because we don't want the file to go beyond 16 megabytes. Hope you guys understood that part. Then tap on convert, done, wait for a couple of minutes. Then you can upload this file to your status and not get affected by WhatsApp's compression. Pretty cool, right? If you want to know how you can make the smooth 60 FPS status videos on a computer, all the editing and things like that, that's what we are gonna do now. To start this, you either need a 60 FPS video or you can use a trick in Adobe Premiere to make your existing clip 60 FPS. You can technically use any video editor you like, but the tools might be different on different softwares. First, import the clip onto Premiere, right click on it, then click New Sequence from Clip. Then you need to go to Sequence settings, then change the frame rate / time base to 60 FPS. And if you want to flip the video to fill in the whole screen, just simply invert the resolution. That is, type the first number onto the second and the second number onto the first. Then hit OK. Now select the clip in your timeline, then open the Effect Controls tab. If you don't have this, go to Window, Effect Controls. In that, change the rotation to 90. We did this to rotate the clip sideways so it will fill the whole screen of your phone. Then change the time interpolation to optical flow by right clicking on the clip in the timeline, which will give that smooth 60 FPS feel. Then you need to either cut the video into 30 seconds or you can select a portion of the video using the work area tool. I'm gonna cut the clip using the razor tool, so I have trimmed out the 30-second clip. Then we need to export it. Go to File, Export, Media, then select H.264, then select Match Source High Bitrate. Then come down here, select VBR Pass 2 and set the targeted bitrate to 4.5 and maximum to 6. And take a look at the estimate file size. If it isn't at or below 50 megabytes, decrease the targeted bitrate value slightly until it says 15 megabytes. I suggest you to keep the resolution to 1080p because with a 4K resolution, 4 Mbps of bitrate is not sufficient to get a good quality video. So don't go beyond 1080p. Then select Use Maximum Render Quality, then give the output file a name, then export. Done. Then copy the file onto your phone, upload it as your status or send it to a friend. Another question that you may have is, how can you send videos to your friend without WhatsApp's compression? There are two ways. Either you can make the video you want to send below 16 megabytes. The length doesn't matter as long as it's below 16 megabytes and send it like a normal video and WhatsApp won't compress that video further. If it is over 16 megabytes and below 64 megabytes, you can use WhatsApp Web to send the video file without WhatsApp's compression. Open WhatsApp Web in your PC, open one of your friends' chat, Then just drag the video onto WhatsApp web and send. There is only one limit when using this procedure, that is the file size must not exceed 64 megabytes. That's it. While we are on the topic of WhatsApp web, there is a method to put high quality status videos without compression using WhatsApp web. So the video must be less than 30 seconds, but unlike the first method, the file size doesn't have to be below 16 megabytes, but it should not exceed 64 megabytes. So this is how you do it. Open WhatsApp web, send the video that you want to set as status from PC to a friend, then open WhatsApp on your phone, then select the video from that chat that you have just sent from the PC, then hit forward and set as status. That's it. One of the downside of this procedure is you cannot type captions or add some text onto the video. That menu won't appear if you are using this procedure. Another method for sending video files or image without having to deal with WhatsApp's compression is, of course, you can always send any files via the document feature on WhatsApp. Tap here, tap on documents, then select the video file and send. This works on both WhatsApp web and on your phone, and there is a file size limit of 64 megabytes. So that's all you need to worry about. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye.